sklearn metrics. Description: Scikit-learn sklearn provides a comprehensive suite of metrics for evaluating the performance of machine learning models. These metrics help quantify how well a model is performing on a given task, such as classification, regression, or clustering. Inputs: Y true, the actual target values for the data. YPRED, the predicted values generated by the machine learning model. Outputs: score, a numerical value representing the performance of the model based on the chosen metric. Visualization plots optional. Some metrics offer visualization plots to provide a more intuitive understanding of the model's performance. Steps: calculate the metric. The selected metric is calculated using the provided true and predicted values. Interpret the results. The obtained score is analyzed to understand the model's strengths and weaknesses. Metrics: accuracy measures the proportion of correctly classified instances suitable for balanced datasets. Precision measures the proportion of correctly predicted positive instances out of all instances predicted as positive. Recall sensitivity measures the proportion of correctly predicted positive instances out of all actual positive instances. F1 score, the harmonic mean of precision and recall. Balancing both metrics. Mean squared error MSE measures the average squared difference between actual and predicted values in regression tasks. Root mean squared error RMSE, the square root of MSE, providing a value in the same units as the target variable. Mean absolute error MA measures the average absolute difference between actual and predicted values in regression tasks. R squared represents the proportion of variance in the target variable explained by the model. Confusion matrix, a table that summarizes the performance of a classification model, showing true positives, true negatives, false positives, and false negatives. Area under the receiver operating characteristic curve AUC measures the ability of a binary classifier to distinguish between classes, indicating the model's overall performance. Silhouette score evaluates the quality of clustering results, measuring how well each sample is clustered with its own cluster compared to other clusters. Adjusted RAND index measures the similarity between two clusterings, accounting for chance agreement. Homogeneity score measures how much each cluster contains only members of a single class. Completeness score measures how much members of a given class are assigned to the same cluster. Visualization plots. Confusion matrix heat map, a visual representation of the confusion matrix, highlighting the number of correctly and incorrectly classified instances. ROC curve plots the true positive rate against the false positive rate for different classification thresholds. Precision recall curve shows the trade-off between precision and recall at various thresholds. Silhouette plot illustrates the silhouette score for each sample, indicating cluster cohesiveness and separation. Fine-tune parameters. Threshold in binary classification. The threshold parameter controls the decision boundary between positive and negative classes. Adjusting the threshold can affect the trade-off between precision and recall. Regularization parameter. Regularization techniques e.g. L1, L2 are used to prevent overfitting by adding a penalty to the model's complexity. Adjusting the regularization parameter can improve model generalization. Number of clusters K for clustering algorithms. The number of clusters K is a critical parameter. Different values of K can lead to different clustering results, and finding the optimal K is often an iterative process. Uncertainty methods. Confidence intervals quantify the uncertainty associated with a model's predictions. Bayesian inference provides a probabilistic framework for incorporating prior knowledge and uncertainty into model learning. Challenges and fixes. Challenge 1: Imbalanced datasets when the target classes are unevenly distributed. Standard metrics like accuracy can be misleading. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 1: A fraud detection model trained on a dataset with many legitimate transactions and few fraudulent transactions may achieve high accuracy but perform poorly in detecting actual fraud cases. Fixes to Challenge 1. Use appropriate metrics precision. Recall. F1 score. AUC are more informative for imbalanced datasets. Resampling techniques: oversampling minority class, undersampling majority class, or generating synthetic samples can balance the dataset. Class weights: assign higher weights to the minority class during model training to emphasize its importance. Challenge 2: Multi-class classification. Evaluating multi-class models requires metrics that consider all classes simultaneously. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 2: An image classification model trained to recognize multiple animal species might perform well on certain species but poorly on others. Fixes to Challenge 2. Macro average calculates the average score for each class individually and then averages them. Micro average calculates the overall performance by aggregating the predictions of all classes. Weighted average calculates the average score for each class, weighted by the number of samples in that class. Challenge 3: High dimensionality when dealing with a large number of features. Metrics may be influenced by irrelevant features. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 3: A text classification model trained on a dataset with many irrelevant words might struggle to identify the most informative features, leading to suboptimal performance. Fixes to Challenge 3. Feature selection: identify and remove irrelevant or redundant features to reduce dimensionality. Dimensionality reduction techniques PCA, T-SNE, or other techniques can project data onto a lower dimensional space while preserving relevant information. Challenge 4: Interpretability. Some metrics may not provide insights into the underlying reasons behind a model's performance. Sample use case that resulted in Challenge 4: A model with high accuracy may still be making incorrect predictions for certain instances, and the reasons for these errors might not be apparent from the metrics alone. Fixes to Challenge 4. Explainable AI. XAI techniques like feature importance, partial dependence plots, and counterfactual explanations can help understand model decisions and identify potential biases. Domain expertise. Collaborate with domain experts to interpret the model's behavior and identify areas for improvement.